Ready to make use of your earnings on Syntrix? Here is a step-by-step guide to withdrawing funds through Syntrix decentralized system. Step 1. Withdraw SYN tokens to your wallet. Go to your personal Syntrix dashboard. Open the wallet section, then select Withdraw Funds. Choose the wallet you want to withdraw from, either staking wallet or cashback wallet. Enter the amount in SYN tokens, click Confirm and approve the transaction in MetaMask. Step 2. Swap SYN to USDT. Go to the Swap SYN tab, enter the amount of SYN you want to convert and confirm the swap. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, it usually takes less than 1 minute. Once the swap is complete, check your MetaMask balance. The USDT should already be in your wallet. That's it, you're all set. Keep using the full potential of the Syntrix platform.